David Sokal here. This is Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights, Tolerance, Education, Art Series 58. Denise McNair was 11. She was the youngest of the 4 African American girls murdered in the Ku Klux Klan terrorist bombing of a church in Birmingham, Alabama, September 15, 1963 morning. With two allegorical sea monsters, along with some little ones. And we are writing in here, let's just point this out. It says Trump and Ku Klux Klan, race hate, blech. What do you think,
You've
David?
pretty much covered it. Isn't that a minute?
Say it again?
Isn't that a minute?
Isn't what a minute?
What you just did.
No, it's 47 seconds right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like the colors in this one. This is very contemporaries to have these kind of bright colors. Isn't that like more bright than you usually do?
It varies.
Yeah. And like I said before, these could be in your body, like viruses or worms eating your brain.
Allegorical viruses. Okay. Allegorical viruses.
Yeah, and in this one, the face is really strong. This one, it's not quite as strong. And it's distorted like that. That's interesting. Did you do that on purpose?
It's up to interpretation. To me, it's as strong as that one.
Yeah, I like that one better.
Okay.
So she's holding her doll.
Yep.
But why is the lips and everything twisted like that? Was that on purpose?
No, it's how she looks in the photograph I drew her from.
Ah, where's the photograph from?
From 1963.
Is it like a family photo that somebody, like her family took it and kept it in her album?
I don't know where it was saved.
Did you see it in a newspaper?
No, you can bring it up online. You can bring up photographs.
Did you print it out?
Say it again?
Did you print it out in order to draw it?
Yeah, I made a photographic print.
Okay, and then the rest of this is just your imagination.
Yeah.
It's combining imagination and photography.
Say it again?
Combining imagination and photography.
Photography.
Figurative versus... See, the monster is, again, like we said before, cartoonish.
That's what you said. I haven't said that, but you say that's
I'm the royal
fine interpretation.
I'm the royal we, right?
The royal what?
We. The royal we.
We?
Haven't you heard that expression?
Never.
The king always called himself we.
Oh, okay.
So this is, like I said, this is the humorous way to defray the fear. Or what do you call it? Calm the fear? Negate
make
the
it
fear?
accessible to children.
And you like the way it makes it accessible to children. But I'm thinking more about how it
Teaching
reflects
purposes.
who you are. You know what I mean? Who you are and how you have this need to defray or negate, or deal with the fear, to deal with the anger and the fear. There's anger in it too. I didn't think about that before. But you're angry. See, that's interesting because you're angry at Trump. But they're attacking her. So this is your idea of Trump attacking her and race hate attacking her. But in a way, this is your anger. Your anger at Trump and anything that's scary, anything that's big and nasty and scary. And in our world, a lot of that is mostly other people. It's not monsters, it's people.
Huh. You make a tough art critic. You could be writing art criticism for the New York Times.
I could.
I'm
I'm pretty good at it.
Uh-huh.
I've learned how to do it.
Okay, thank you.
And also
David
my
Sokal.
father was kind of a psychoanalyst type.
Thank
You
you.
can cut it off there.